Hello, coin collectors! In today's video, we're exploring the 1999 España 10 euro cents coin with the M mint mark. This coin, part of Spain's early euro circulation, holds a special place for collectors. We'll take a deep dive into its design, historical significance, and potential value in today's market. Stick around to find out if this coin is worth more than its face value. Design and features. The 1999 10 euro cents coin from Spain showcases a design that's both symbolic and historical. Obverse. This side features a portrait of Miguel de Cervantes, the famed author of Don Quixote. Cervantes symbolizes the enduring influence of Spanish culture and literature, making this design a fitting tribute. Reverse. The reverse shows the common design for euro coins, a map of Europe, designed by Luc Loix. Mint mark. The M mint mark represents the Madrid mint, the official mint of Spain. Historical context. The euro currency was officially introduced on January 1, 1999, but physical coins and banknotes were only released in 2002. The 1999 dated coins, therefore, represent the very first year of euro coin production and are significant for collectors due to their historical relevance. Rarity and demand. The 1999 España 10 euro cents with the M mint mark isn't considered rare in general circulation. However, coins from the early euro years are gaining more attention from collectors, especially those in uncirculated or mint condition. If your coin has no scratches, dents, or signs of heavy wear, it could be more desirable. Coins graded as MS, mint state, 65 or higher by professional grading services are especially valuable. Current value in today's market, 2024. Here's a rough breakdown of how much this coin may be worth, depending on its condition. Good condition. Approximately 0.15 to 0.25 USD, just above face value. Very fine condition. Could fetch around 50 cents to $1 USD. Uncirculated condition. May be worth between $2 to $4 USD or more, depending on collector demand. Graded coins, MS 65 or higher. High-quality coins could command prices of $5 or more, particularly if sold to specialized collectors. Tips for collectors. Check for mint errors. Coins with errors, such as doubled dies or off-center strikes, can be worth significantly more. Preserve your coin. Store the coin in a coin holder to prevent scratches and oxidation. Authentication. If you believe your coin is in pristine condition, consider having it professionally graded to boost its value. Conclusion. The 1999 España 10 euro cents with M mint mark is a fascinating coin from the euro's inaugural year. While it may not be highly valuable in general circulation, coins in excellent condition or with unique features can command higher prices. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more coin collecting content. Next up, the 2000 España 10 euro cents coin with the M mint mark. These coins are part of Spain's early euro circulation and hold both historical and collector value. We'll cover the coin's design, its historical significance, and how much it's worth in today's market. Let's dive right in. Design and key features. The 2000 España 10 euro cents coin features some iconic designs. Obverse. A portrait of Miguel de Cervantes, the renowned Spanish author of Don Quixote. This design honors Cervantes' literary legacy and represents Spain's cultural pride. Reverse. The reverse displays the common euro design, a map of Europe designed by Luc Loix. Mint mark. The M mint mark signifies the coin was minted at the Madrid Mint, Spain's official coin producer. Historical significance. The euro currency system was officially introduced on January 1, 1999, but physical coins and banknotes were not circulated until 2002. However, coins were minted and dated in advance, Coins with dates from 1999 to 2001 represent the early minting period before general euro circulation began. The 2000-dated coins are sought after by collectors who are focused on Spain's euro history. Value of the 2000 España 10 euro cents in today's market, 2024. The value of a 2000 España 10 euro cents coin depends on its condition. Good condition, heavily circulated, typically worth 15 cents to 25 cents USD, just slightly above face value. Very fine condition, minimal wear. These can sell for 50 cents to $1 USD. Uncirculated condition, no signs of wear. Coins in pristine condition can be valued at $2 to $4 USD, sometimes more. Graded coins, MS 65 or higher. Professionally graded coins with high ratings can fetch $5 or more, especially if they are sold to specialized euro collectors. Collector tips. Look for mint errors. Check for any minting errors, such as misaligned designs or doubling. These can significantly increase a coin's value. Preserve the coin. Use coin holders or plastic cases to protect the coin from wear and oxidation. Grading services. If you believe you have a high-quality coin, consider professional grading to maximize its value. Conclusion. The 2000 España 10 euro cents coin with M mint mark is a great piece for collectors of early euro coins. While its face value may be low, coins in excellent condition or with rare features can command higher prices in today's market. Next up, the 2005 España 10 euro cents coin with the M mint mark. This coin is part of Spain's euro currency series, and while it may look like an ordinary circulating coin, collectors know that condition, rarity, and even minor details can impact its value. We'll break down everything you need to know, its design, history, and its worth in today's market. Make sure to watch until the end to find out if this coin is worth more than its face value. 1. Design and features. The design of the 2005 España 10 euro cents coin combines cultural heritage with European unity. Let's take a closer look. Obverse, front side. This side of the coin features Miguel de Cervantes, one of Spain's most revered cultural figures. Cervantes, known for his novel Don Quixote, symbolizes Spain's literary influence on the world. His portrait is surrounded by stars representing the European Union. Reverse, backside. The reverse of the coin displays the common euro design by Luc Loix, featuring a map of Europe. This symbolizes the unity and integration of European countries. Mint mark, M. The M mint mark identifies the Madrid Mint, Spain's official mint, which has a long history of producing Spanish coins and banknotes. Second historical context. The euro was officially adopted in 1999, but the first physical euro coins and banknotes weren't circulated until 2002. The coins minted in the years immediately after the launch are part of Spain's first official euro currency series. By 2005, euro coins were firmly established in everyday life, but early years like this are still of interest to collectors because they represent the initial stages of the eurozone's expansion. For collectors, the 2005 date signifies a time of growing familiarity with euro coins. It's also worth noting that the Spanish coins were designed to celebrate the nation's cultural heritage, with Miguel de Cervantes as a prominent national figure on the smaller denomination coins. Rarity and demand. While the 2005 España 10 euro cents coin was widely circulated, its value can vary significantly depending on a few factors. Condition. Coins in good or average condition typically trade near face value. However, coins in very fine, VF, extremely fine, EF, or mint state, MS, conditions may be worth more to collectors. Errors or variations. Mint errors such as doubling, off-center strikes, or die cracks can increase a coin's value significantly. Collectors often seek coins from the early euro years, especially those in pristine condition, which are harder to find because most of these coins have been in circulation for nearly 2 decades. Current market value, 2024. Let's break down how much the 2005 España 10 euro cents coin is worth in today's market, depending on its condition. Heavily circulated condition. These coins typically sell for 0.1 to 20 cents USD, close to face value. Very fine, VF. Condition. Coins with minimal signs of wear may fetch around 50 cents to $1 USD. Extremely fine, EF. Condition. These coins can be valued at $1 to $2 USD depending on collector demand. Uncirculated condition. Mint state 60 to 65. Coins with no signs of wear are worth between 3 to 5 US dollars, with higher-end examples fetching more. Graded coins, MS 65 or higher. Professionally graded coins that score high on the Sheldon scale can sell for 5 to 8 US dollars or more. Collectors pay a premium for coins that are verified as being in top condition. Keep in mind that specialized collectors may pay more for a coin that is perfectly preserved or features any unique errors. 5. Tips for collecting the 2005 España 10 euro cents coin. Here are some essential tips if you're interested in collecting or selling this coin. Look closely for any mint errors. These could include double strikes, off-center designs, or die cracks. Coins with errors can fetch significantly higher prices. Professional grading. If you believe your coin is in mint condition, consider having it graded by a professional coin grading service. Graded coins often sell for higher prices due to their authenticated condition. If you're looking to sell or add the 2005 España 10 euro cents coin to your collection, here are some common options. Online auction sites. Platforms like eBay are popular for buying and selling euro coins. Coin dealer shops. Many coin dealers specialize in European coins and may be interested in purchasing or trading. Collector forums. Coin collecting communities often have buy, sell, trade sections for enthusiasts. Coin shows. Attending a coin show can connect you with collectors and dealers who are actively seeking specific coins. Conclusion. The 2005 España 10 euro cents coin with the M mint mark is a fascinating piece of Spain's euro history. While it may not be worth a fortune, coins in excellent condition or with unique features can command higher prices in today's market.